Welcome back to the Micrometrics Show. If you're not following me at underscore Micrometrics over on X, you could possibly be missing out on some great gains, you guys. Recently the markets have been going parabolic. So, if you're not staying in tune or up to date with the news that's going on with the Clarity Act, just simply type it in on YouTube and you will get filled in very fast and see why. Like I said, the markets are just everything's green right now, you guys. But if you've been following me, you were in before this, simply because we were on a layer two of ETH. ETH since pumped a lot. We got in on the Robinhood chain, as you can see here. The president said basically, go buy stocks and go buy crypto. They're going to pass that Clarity Act with or without the 60 votes. They could possibly just do what they've been doing anyway, because like I said, we have stunks here and I can actually show you how they're being made. We did a $50 investment. Since then, made about $200 in stocks. As well as that, the assets that we're holding are worth about $1,500, and we also made gains with the token that was airdropped to the holders of the NFT that pays out the stocks, you guys. So right now, like I said, just type it in. He's talking about go ahead, buy stock, buy crypto. The Clarity Act is going to moon for everyone. So, like I said, the overall crypto market is what I'm focused on. As well as that, I'm worried about collecting stocks. But what's the easiest way to farm them? If you go over here on OpenSea, there is a tab right there for Robinhood Chain. The number one NFT over here, which pays out stocks, is the stunk broker. But that's just the number one as far as that everybody knows, and that the floor price went parabolic. But the one that is actually paying out quite a bit for at the moment is the RH machines. Now, if you're familiar with the BTC machines over on BTC, they did a lot of great things. They made a lot of great gains, and they have a lot of great development that actually happened on BTC. They brought that to the Robinhood chain, and in return, if you actually got in when I made this video here about, as you can see, 9 days ago, it says it right there. These BTC machines were around $6. We got in about $5, but 9 days ago they were six. There's a proof. Just go 9 days back, BTC machine ordinals on Robinhood chain, and you will see that these were $6. There's a couple other projects like this, but right now we're talking about the RH machines because I got paid at about $200 in stock, and I only invested $50 in these machines. And since then, the machines went parabolic. Their token, we got in the token back here. If you watch my video, we got in about 260 to 300K. And then we did about 9x with the token. Gains have been made long before this parabolic move in the crypto market. As you can see, 24% on BTC, Ethereum 33%, XRP 55%, you guys, Solana 28%. But we're on a layer two of ETH, so we're on the Robinhood chain making these gains. And a lot of things are going on inside this space, dealing with the stunks, farming the stunks using NFTs, and speculating on any other type of price action on the Ethereum blockchain. But you literally could have been anywhere just 2 days ago and made a lot of gains. So if you're not following me over on X at underscore micrometrics, you could possibly be missing out on some speculative plays, staying up to date, what's going on with the stunks, because like I said, it's going to be a big run on these. And the easier you can get them, the cheaper you can get them. I feel like I said, not financial advice, but that's definitely going to be a way to get ahead of the curve if that's what the president is saying. Like, here's some alpha here, you guys. If you're holding the broker punks, you're going to get in suited apes. They whitelisting a lot of people, but like I said, they got a low supply. The last low supply I got in from holding this NFT. Man, great gains. So you want to go over here, X at underscore micrometrics. We're releasing everything here, so you will hear about it first here. You'll stay up to date. You'll figure out what's really going on with the stunks. I never owned Nvidia. Now I have half a share of Nvidia. I never owned Apple. Now I have $23 in Apple. You know what I mean? So I was exposed to Tesla and SpaceX, and now I'm accumulating it with, like I said, a $50 investment. They have epochs. Like I said, you want to go to all their socials. You don't want to just watch a YouTuber um, and then think because they made that you can make that. You want to speculate on the market as far as getting the knowledge and see what's going on within that ecosystem before you actually invest. So, like I said, the first epoch, we're on epoch two. So, I mean, at epoch three now. So, I don't know what's paying out in epoch two because I missed it already. Epoch two is about 35K, but they have a big flywheel coming. Sidetrack, but this is how I'm earning stunks right here. Right now, I was looking like $28 for my guess is next epoch, possibly. But like I said, we should see. So stay tuned for the updates. Go over there and follow me at _micrometrics on X, you guys. Gains are being made on the Robinhood chain.